Hi, this is Gurvinder Singh and my student ID is 22748816. Today I'm going to discuss about my assignment third for the understanding and business environment. In this part A, I'm going to make a video about about the few topics, and I have chosen the ninth topic, which is teamwork, and the other two topics are the environment for the management and the managing change. And at the end of the video I'm going to discuss about how these three topics are related to each other, but I think like all the topics are related to each other, but I have chosen these three topics which I felt I can easily explain it, and I can briefly explain this as much I can. And first of all, I would like to talk about the environment of the management. I have learned about the environment of the management that affects the current labor market and the environmental condition in the country. For example, I have focused on the management of Sydney Water Company that delivers sustainable water services for giving benefits to the community member. In the real world example, that 100% carbon neutral regarding the electrical and the energy in the future. I have studied about the three aspects such as economic, social, and environmental where the company has focused. The company has focused on the sustainability guidelines and initiative regarding the environment and the business development in the world. In the practical way, I will do the job in the company for developing the skills in the environmental management. I will manage the complexity and such as environmental problem and social development issues, and with the help of the team members and the manager in the workplace. I will learn about the planning operation process and the invest making and the workforce development, as well as in the environment strategies in the future. And the third topic was the managing change. In the class I have studied about the managing change in the business. I have identified that COVID-19 and the lockdown has reduced the business sales and the revenue in the current era. I have focused on the restaurant, like lots of restaurant, like I'm the restaurant manager of Hungry Jacks, but I would like to share about like experience about like White Rabbit, who has made the changes in the business services for expanding the business. I have studied that this company has used the change management strategy for making possible changes in the business. It has considered the nature of work changes, has increased the skill of employees through trainings. I have learned that the company has analyzed the three aspects such as social, environmental, and such a social, environmental, and economics. It has motivated the team by creating a friendly environmental that increase the staff in the business. This company has focused on community health development by delivering fresh quality food, and it has provided the training the employees where they can manage the online booking by phone in the restaurant. And for example, I will join the company for increasing the skills and the knowledge regarding chain management. I will learn about the application like online booking, order tracking, etc. I will give full effort in the business in the critical situation, and ready to make changes with the help of manager in the future. And then the last one would be the teamwork, which is really important, and I feel which uh, which relates to all these topics. Which, if we don't have any teamwork, we don't have any environment, we don't have any changes, we can't run a business. So I have studied about the teamwork. Is This is very important to expand the business at the international levels. I have focused on the real world example like PepsiCo company that works with the team and get better result in the business development. This company has focused on the diverse workforce, and the teamwork for the business development have inspired this company. I have I was I've been inspired by this company because it has committed to hiring a capable people with the different religion, orientations, and background. I have read the reviews of this company where I have found about the effective teamwork and trainings and the work environment. This company has also considered the three aspects like social, technological, and economic. It's It's also provided job opportunities like to the people in the community and adopt the technology concept for delivering the products online or like face to face. It can be anything, and it has increased the sales and the revenue that have a positive impact on economic development. In future I would like to work in this company because it can helpful, it can develop my teamwork skills for solving the problems in the business. I have focused on practical applications like digital service, artificial intelligence, and machine learning that are using by the company for expanding the business. I will also learn about the relationship, team interaction, creativity, and innovation for the managing in business activities. And last not the least, I would like to explain about how this teamwork and the managing changes and the environment for the management are related. Okay, as a if I'm going to give my example, I'm working as a restaurant manager. Okay, if I have not a good communication, I don't have any good teamwork. My in my management, in my crew members, in my managers, in my team leaders, if there is not teamwork, if they are not supporting each other, they are not communicating well, if they are not talking to each other about the problem solvents, or if any kind of issues arising in it, definitely the environment for the management wouldn't be good. The management can't be grow up, and they won't have any options. They can't grow up. And for this is very important. If we are talking to each other, if we have communication skills, if we have a teamwork, then we can make a good environment in the management. And the third thing, managing change. If 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 we can't if we can't work as a team, if we can't make a good environment, I don't think so we can cope up with the changes. We can consider the new changes, we can't implement the new changes in the workplace. Yeah, this is very important in this era, because we had a very bad time with the pandemic and the COVID-19. We had like very 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 big issues. The sales were dropped down. Yeah, and we have to cut back the hours. The crew members were not getting good hours, but the thing is, we have to motivate those crew members, to give their best and give their 100% in the job. But fortunately, the pandemic time even came in our favor. Like, the I have to the it our restaurant got more busy. Yeah, and we handle that change, yeah, in the very positive manner, and with the teamwork, and everyone's give their 100%, and teamwork, and the crew members supports everyone's, and that's how it works. And that's all. There I want to finish my video. Thank you so much.